Hola, everybody. Thanks for having us. And my name is Kim Norland. I'm the founder and CEO of MoneyAmigo. And right now, at this moment, I'm super excited, together with existing friends and hopefully a lot of new friends throughout today, is that we're actually launching MoneyAmigo. MoneyAmigo is not a traditional bank. It is what we love to call, it is your money friend. It's something that's made for most likely none of us in this room. It's made for the underserved. And within the underserved, which is by far the largest untapped segment for the financial industry to crack, the US Hispanics is by far the largest. I'll give you some simple numbers, and they're staggering. There are right now living 54 million legal US Hispanics here in the US. They're contributing $1.5 trillion to the US economy, and they will double the population by 2050. But 47%, yes, 47% are underbanked and unserved. That is over 7 million households right here, right now in the US. Why is that? Well, 1 of 3 Hispanics, they distrust banks. They're met with stigma culturally and language-wise. And the reason why I know this is because I've spent the last 10 years together with my team to literally research them here in the US and in Latin America. And they want things differently. And they are seeing things that maybe you and I don't even pay attention to. So every day, they are being faced with a segmented, fragmented system that they need to go and pick from, with excessive fees, with minimum account balances, something you and I don't even think about. But it's their day. So let me show you how banking and remittance can look in what we call a fast, fair, and friendly way. Basically, you open the application, and please feel free to be inspired. We will need lots of you out there, amigos, to become our partners in this thing. Well, I'm launching it, and what you'll be greeted of is this little wonderful fella, Mr. Amigo, which is basically there to help you. He is your money friends. It runs like a bank, but it's so much more. And you see it immediately. It doesn't look like a bank, doesn't act like a bank, doesn't speak like a bank whatsoever. What we're having right here is a brand new way of looking at an ecosystem of financial services, totally reimagined. You will see in one screen all your needs. It greets me when I come in. I can go up and see that right now I have a little bit over $1,300 in my balance. It is a unified experience that in my screen I can see and do everything. I can access everything out here. Very simple thing. And all I say is Mr. Amigo all the time and is there to help me. So if I want a free ATM, which is one of the things that we're offering, we'll basically go in and it will show me, oh gosh, there is actually something really, really close nearby. If I go out again here, how I can get paid and how I can pay bills. Say I want to have, get some money into my account. Let's say I even want some cash that I can deposit. We don't have outlets, but we want to make sure that everybody can come in. So I'm going to put in, let's say, $200. I create a barcode, and then literally right now I'll find a location where I can deposit this right here, right now. What we designed is something we call the Magic 3 inside MoneyAmigo. And that's very simple. We don't allow anything to take more than 3 clicks, 3 seconds, 3 minutes for the most complex thing out there, including signing up for a bank account or get something more. We want to make sure that we save you money, like for instance here with automatic thing. And MoneyAmigo gives you a free bank account. It gives you a free ATM card, free ATMs, and free direct deposits for you to use. No hidden fees, never and ever. If we go back, as you can see, it's an ecosystem. So when we have reached people's trust level, we'll be able to tap into new things like upselling them insurance, which is a really, really profitable industry to be in. And I don't know about you, but I can never find my ID card when I'm supposed to. So we do have that when we're in need to have it out there. Or if I go into another innovation that we have done, which is our credit card. Our credit card is a brand new innovation that never allows you to default automatically. And on top of that, it will basically Never allow, and it will always give you money advice on how to grow and your credit score automatically. But what about sending money? You can do it from the app, but there's a different way how to do it. If we switch over to these phones here, when do people talk about sending money? They do it when they talk to people, right? And we'd send 100 billion messages. And what I'm having here is a conversation with my friend Chris down in Mexico. So I'm having his birthday, and I'm basically saying, happy birthday. Now, I would like to send him some money, and this is how simple it can be done. I pick Christopher. I simply send the amount. I send, I'm going to send him $50. And I say send. Voila. I literally just sent $50 across the border. Went so fast. Do you want me to do it again? Very simply. I literally say, here I am. I can upload money. Pick my contact. Pick Christopher. I click the amount. Let's send him 100. Maybe he'll be more happy this time for happy birthday, right? And then I'm transferring it. And it literally is live right now. In Christopher's phone, we'll tap the link. And basically, here's where the magic appears. Hola, Christopher, you've gotten $100 from Kim. Basically, I want to send it to my card. This is his debit card in Mexico, which is really growing right now. I swipe, $100 sent. And here's the magic. I never, ever left the conversation. This is how money remittance should be. No forms, no excessive fees, and it's absolutely instant. This is patent pending and the world's first solution within this. We truly want to partner with you to make this vision happen. I really hope to meet lots of new amigos today. Thank you very much. Gracias.